Body of Christ, Lisa.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound
Come on, body of Christ.
that saved a wretch like
Body of Christ.
What are you doing?
I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but
Come on.
now
Body of Christ.
Now, stop it. That's cruel.
Come on.
Lisa, honey, what is wrong with you?
If this is a joke, it's not funny.
My heart to
Lisa.
feel
Oh,
embrace my fears, relieved. How precious is that grace.